Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Slumdog stands tall. People claim that there is nothing objectionable in the movie. Withdraw the land allotted for garbage plant or face the consequences. All Goa Nagarik Kruti Samiti warns government. In spite of government's failure to support them, Santosh and Sonia are determined to box on. Weekend trips to Goa turns terrible. Tourists stranded at Dargal checkpost. And Supercross at Naveli on Sunday. Now the news in detail. One day after Shiv Sena vandalism at Inox, viewers of Slumdog Millionaire and film critics have denied all arguments of Hindu fanatic organizations that the scene depicting Lord Rama hurts sentiments of Hindus. Prudent Media questioned the viewers coming out of theatre whether their sentiments are hurt, and the answer was no.
Well, I have seen the film Slumdog Millionaire and I have no idea at all what this protest is all about, and there is definitely no reason for anybody to protest against this film. I have no idea what their protest actually is. The scene is very simple. There's a question in the quiz show where the quiz master, played by Anil Kapoor, asks the contestant that what does Lord Ram hold in his hand? And then the contestant answers, it's a bow and an arrow, and then they show in the flashback how he comes to know this answer, or what was that incident that triggered this answer. Now please tell me what is objectionable about this. And another simple point, if you don't like something, don't watch it, but don't go around breaking glasses. And we are living in a civilized society, and what has happened in Goa is first of its kind, and I think so these incidents should be condemned in the strongest words.
माझं नाव रघुनाथ निंबाळकर, मी मुंबईचा आहे आणि पक्का शिवसैनिक आहे. जेव्हा शिवसेना झाली तेव्हापासून आम्ही शिवसैनिक, आजही शिवसैनिक, उद्या शिवसैनिक आणि आयुष्यभर शिवसैनिक राहणार आहे. नाही, शिवसेनेने जे केलं असेल, कशा दृष्टीने इथे शिवसेनेने काय केलं असेल ते काय मला माहीत नाही, पण मुंबईमध्ये जसं आमची शिवसेना काय या पिक्चरच्या विरुद्ध असं मला वाटत नाही आहे. तर जर केलं असेल तर समोर बसून त्यांनी गैरसमज आपला जो आहे समज तो नीटनेटका करून याच्या पिक्चरच्या विरुद्धात काय फायदा नाही. मला तर वाटतं पिक्चर तसा व्यवस्थित आहे.
Very good movie.
What do you like?
Something different, yeah. Something different. Grounds. What is the ground of objection?
They are saying that there is one depiction of Ram in different ways.
No, I didn't find anything. Ram is carrying, he says, he asked a question. What is Ram carrying normally in his right hand? So it is the Ram, yeah.
Anything objectionable?
No, nothing objectionable.
जो विरोध कर रहे हैं उसमें हमें तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा कि कोई विरोध करने लायक कोई ऐसा कोई सीन है. मतलब एक फिल्म बनाई गई है, स्टोरी है, उसके हिसाब से अब ठीक है. वो
बिल्कुल डिफरेंट स्टोरी है उसकी, अच्छी है फिल्म.
All Goa Nagarik Kruti Samiti has unanimously decided to take morcha to Goa Assembly during the session that would start from 2nd of February. Samiti has got support of 7 other village panchayats for opposing the garbage treatment plant at Bangini.
It may be recalled that All Goa Nagarik Kruti Samiti had given ultimatum of 7 days to Goa government to withdraw the land given to CCP for garbage plant. The ultimatum would get over on Monday. On Saturday, another meeting was held in Old Goa Panchayat to take concrete steps to tackle the ongoing problem of Bangini site. The meeting was attended by Panchayat members of 7 villages including that of Old Goa. Kumbarjua MLA Pandurang Madkaikar and Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandez too attended the meet. People say that they have got verbal assurances from the government officials that government is taking back the land from CCP. But people claim that this assurance is not sufficient and they want written statement from the government that land will be taken back. For both the MLAs, it is now time to act in the assembly session that is starting in first week of February.
आम्ही असेंब्लीत क्वेश्चन झाला हांवें स्टार क्वेश्चन घालेले ताणें अनस्टार करून दवरला थंय म्हणजे आमी जबरदस्ती म्हणून पूण आनी खंय वाट आसा तुमचो आमदार आसा तेन्ना लास्ट टायम आमी घालेले तशें आमी एक पाट घालून असेंब्लीत 2 तारखेक असेंब्ली सामकी एक वटान आमची क्लियर करया.
Pandurang Madgaikar says that he would bring privilege motion in the assembly for solving the problem of Bangini treatment plant.
हांवें मामीकूय कितें आसा हांवें प्रिविलेज मोशन घातलेलें आसा आनी ह्या खातीर मामीक सपोर्ट करूंक जाय प्रिविलेज मोशनाक कारण आमकां लास्ट असेंब्ली ज्या वेळार आमी क्वेश्चन काडलो त्या वेळार एश्योरन्स दिल्लें की आमी ओल्ड गोवा ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट घालना आनी ती जागा एक्वायर करना म्हणून इतके एश्योरन्स दिवन सुद्दां असेंब्लीन एश्योरन्स दिवन सुद्दां आयज जागा एक्वायर जाल्ली आसा.
Samiti is planning to take the morcha to the assembly on the day Pandurang Madgaikar's privilege motion is brought on the assembly floor.
That morcha will be on Vidhan Sabha. Because it has to come in Vidhan Sabha.
Our reporter from Old Goa, Rakesh Kandulkar.
Goa's bright boxing stars Santosh Harijan and Sonia Parab have proved the mettle in the boxing ring time and again to corner glory. However, the duo seem to be clueless over the reason for the delay of their due rewards, but are hoping that the government will soon release the money.
Santosh had won the gold medal at the Asian Junior Championship in 2006 and disclosed that he is yet to get his cash reward. He recently won a silver medal at the interzonal competition in Mumbai.
तुका आता बॉम्बे में तू फायनली कोणाकडे खेळ
फायनल संजय कोल्टे वांगडा खेळ्ळो ते सर्विसीस SSCBच्या वांगडा.
तुमकां आतां बॉक्सिंग करून आयले म्हणटकीच पयशे सरकारा कडल्यान काय ऑथॉरिटी कडल्यान बी पयशे टायमार मेळटा अलावन्सीस बी
रोखडे मेळना आमकां होप आहा कितें आमचे गव्हर्मेंट आमकां बेगीनच्या बेगीन ट्राय करतली दिवपा खातीर.
Sonia also lamented the delay of dispersing the cash after having won a gold medal for Goa at the 2007 National Games in Assam. She has won prizes consistently, but she is disappointed as the monetary allowances are not being given promptly. Sonia, however, dismissed the possibility of quitting the sport.
बॉक्सिंग आज बसून केलें म्हटल्यार अजून एक पयशांचो बसून म्हाका हें सांगना आनी ते म्हाज्या नॅशनल गेम्साचे 3 lakhs दिवपाचे रिवार्ड डिक्लेअर केल्लो ते बसून अजून म्हाका मेळना सो आय होप बेगीन मेळटलें अशें.
तू हाजे फुडें बॉक्सिंग कंटिन्यू करून आपलें करियर बॉक्सिंगानूच करतलें
करपाक कांय म्हाका हरकत ना आनी म्हाका कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना पळोवंक जाय न्हू म्हणल्यार फायनल.
Goa Boxing Association Technical Advisor and Coordinator Lenny Digama hope that boxers' consistent efforts to bring laurels to the state is recognized and their dues be settled soon.
Well, it's like this. It was a very depressing phase for boxers because it was announced at the last national games that the gold medalist will get 3 lakhs, the silver medalist will get 2 lakhs, but the parents, they come from very poor families. So when the parents came to know that they were going to get money, okay, the parents started spending on the boy.
It remains to be seen whether the boxing duos please bring the desired results. With Manoj Arolkar in Panji, Neeraj Prabhu for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.